Okay friends, now we will import data from a Word file and it is pretty straightforward. I'll open my Word document and over here I will press Ctrl A to select all and Ctrl C to copy the data. Then I will move back to my Excel workbook and over here I will add another sheet to have the data pasted over there, and there in the first cell I will right click and in the paste special I will select this, and now I have my data. Now I will quickly make the column width appropriate by double clicking, and now what I will do is quickly rename this as the name of the sheet as addresses, and now we have HR file, we have database, we have department database. So there is one thing that I need to do is what I will do is copy the format using Format Painter. I will double click this and then in the department file, department database, I will apply this to these two cells, and in address I will apply to this to first row. Now I will press escape key to escape out of my Format Painter, and now when I scroll down there is this I want this set of first row to be freeze. To do that, what I will do is I will use freeze panes, and I have shown you how to use that. And now when I will scroll down, it doesn't matter, the column 1 is always frozen and stuck at the top. For the reference, I can always know that this is my NI number, address 1. I will do the similar to the department database. What I will do is select this cell and freeze all the cells above it, and now it is working quite well. When I go down, I always know this column represents the department and this represents the job title. Now in the next video we will work on this Excel workbook and make it a lot more powerful, a little more powerful, and slowly we will ultimately make this workbook very powerful.